Me too. Why did you say them good? I don't care, but here's part 2 anyways. Well, how long is this ocean anyway? We have now been dating or something like that for like a long time or something. Bro, how long is this ocean? What? He doesn't just never stop? Does it just lead? Does it lead all the way down? What's this? Oh? What is that? Oh, I see. I got the puzzle. You damn! Look what is wrong like that. No, I'm going down there. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck about Let me change this right now. Bro! How far away is this ocean? We've been swimming like for 9 years and ever fell out there. Bro, there's only 5,000 kilometers left to go. Now that we walked 3 more kilometers, now we need 5 more. Alright, I think this one. Am I going in the right direction? I don't know. Maybe. Huh? Oh look, we found ourselves an island. From 4.8 kilometers to go. Wait. It still leads there. one minute. No, let's go that way. Three before that kilometers to go. Yeah. What the? Bro! I'm not getting closer, I think. Right where I have to go. Yep. Now go fast! Go fast! If we find anything else, we're gonna go back. We found another one. We can just go that way, right? That one. Fell into that hole. Let's do that before the hole forgets so much. I'm guessing we have to cross this gap. There's only one way, and that is the boat. Go, go, go! Oh no! Another hole. Now we gotta cross it. The first person has to slow down, right? No. Well, I don't want this to click. Just hurry up. Once we make it to X, make it a negative. We are going back to Z negative 26, okay? Alright, let's go. Go! Only 4 more kilometers to go. Come. Yeah. Oh. Alright, come. Yay! Let's go before this thing works us now. Keep going. Oh shit, we're gonna have to do. Oh my. Crocodiles are really. Oh my gosh, jump it out. Let's go down there. Let's go that way, alright? I don't know if we are going to be able to cross that type of mountain. Go, 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 go. Oh, come on. I feel like it's already getting savage. Oh. I have no idea. Come on, man. Wow. No, I portal to the island. Ah. This world is weird. Cross this gap. We're gonna make it up. But if the video ends, part 3 will come even longer. Let's talk about it. Go up. Off those steps, okay? I wonder how many times 12 minutes. Not bad. We've been working and building for 12 minutes. Both times. Go, go, go! 3 more kilometers to go left. Keep going! We are 3 kilometers away from the flood. Yes! 1.2 kilometers left until we get to the right X, and the 2 kilometers left for the Z position. We're now in the current position X 900. Alright. Well, we're now killing 800 meters away from the current X position. That. See? Shooting. Whoa. Calm down, dude. Oh boy, do you know what this means? We're almost there at the current X position of the flood. Alright. Ready? Go. That was 2.5 kilometers away from the flood. Okay, how much time now? Oh, I can't read. I feel like it is past 7 minutes. No. Hold on. super chill came out of the way now. We're almost at that. We're 400 meters away from the next position of the truck. But why is the Z coordinates going up? So that way. Yes! Ooh. And now 3 kilometers away from that point. Or 3.2 kilometers. No. Let's go that way, okay? We are only 2.1 kilometers away now, so be ready. This really reached down. Oh, wait a minute. I have to go even far away than that. Because there is a village fishing apart from us. I don't know if we're ever going to catch it. Maybe just go somewhere here, and I think we will be okay. Where is that? No, we can just fly up there. Did it Oh wait, no it didn't. Wait, it actually stopped. And we're kind of too far away from it. We're kind of a bit far away, so. So maybe I'll go. Oh wait, it isn't stuck. See, I told you it isn't stuck. I don't care. Good job! How does it stop? Let's go somewhere near here. No! I can't do it. I can't. I don't know. I can't. This is what I just actually said. Like, I don't know. I don't know why. I don't know what. I shot that. Awesome. Oh, that one is. I think that's. We're just one kill mile away from that, okay? I don't know if you guys want speed or not. Yeah! I'm just taking far too long. I don't think we're able to make it this time. Let's see if we can do it with a normal gun. Look at this. Oh shit. Guys, we're gonna have to use spectator mode for this. No, we're gonna have we could just jump 500 meters. Hang on. We're almost out, just 500 meters away. Whoa. Is it somewhere downhill? It's gotta be downhill, right? Alright, ready? Go! There it is! The moment we've been waiting for! There it is. The moment we've been waiting for. The flood! Guys, we finally made it! Yay! Well, now that you made it, how long did it take you to get here? I don't know. So many? Damn, I didn't know. How long did it take you to get you there? Absolutely high. Alrighty. Hey, alright. Can you just help us get rid of that witherstorm here up there? That witherstorm up there. Huh. I wonder where does that lead to? I wonder where does that lead to? Where is that witherstorm? Whoa, the flood is this high? Yeah. Where is that witherstorm? Bro, why are you talking about the witherstorm? Where is that dude? He's in the mountain in here somewhere. What are you talking about? I don't care. Wait. Bro! Caution! If you fall down there, you're gonna die. Oh. Citizens now have predicting that the witherstorm is getting in with us. Oh shit. We have to call the cops. We have to call the Beep. What is your problem? There was a huge freaking flood that we have never seen in our lives, and it's straight up to the max limit. Okay, we're coming up. At a distance far away. one in that motherfucker ain't gonna fly. If you see the wind storm in its front, just quickly call the police. Bro, did you just hear what happened on the news? Yeah. Can you pass me the news? Vote to number 5. Okay, here I go. So, once upon a time, the villagers were stuck in the fire after. Wait, bro, bro, it's not even a story, it's the news. Okay, I get it. In the news, they say that the villagers were hiding in the mansion, and which was last part last episode. The winter storm came them, and they're all stuck in the and 5,000 TNT spawned, and some of the villagers were homeless. So they find their destination to the flood, and they came there after 1 hour or 2, or maybe many hours. They have finally reached the flood in this episode / this part, and the police and so many police came here that they climbed up to the flood to see the winter storm and see what's going on there. I won't believe this, but the winter storm is the winter storm and Now hear the villagers' reaction. It's not. You can't believe this. What's happened on the news? Everyone, you won't believe this. But the winter storm is on the news. What the hell can you know? This rocket is not working. Really? Now, of course, listen up. Guys, I don't know what's going on, but I think those villagers in the woods. heard it. I think in the woods. No, remember, this is the woods in Villages. It's this tiger biome. Which is, I don't remember where it was. And bro, we heard something bad. What? I think the villagers said that the police has come to the Witherspoons. I think they're also going to find someone here. Wait, the guys, do you remember what was in the sky? In the sky. The sky. I don't remember what it was. There. At the sky. Hold on. Here are the security cameras. What do you see? Maybe just keep going up and you're gonna see something random. I wonder what is it like. I don't remember what was in the sky. I feel like it exploded. It's gone. Oh wait, it's gone. Yeah. I know that. It's gone. We will. Yeah, I think the police are coming for us. Nah. This cannot be. Nah, what is going on? We will. Warden encountered! What, they found the Warden? The one that was in part 63 of Virtual News. Yeah. But it's Virtual News Remastered part 2. How is it? I don't get it! What is going on over there? Nah, this look how many policemen are here! I think they are ready to take on that ditch. Bro, where was the hole to him? I don't remember. I think the hole was down here. It's not out. However, I could still catch it. Where is it actually? We can find it in spectator. Let's see. I think it was somewhere here. It was right here! Everyone go! Where is it? Oh, that book has been here for so many months. He has been here for ages, but he still wants to get out. I'm like, what is wrong with him? The security cameras. I feel like he was already deep. What does that mean? Is he this way? Oh guys, I'll check the security cameras. I have to know where he is. Not here. Is he somewhere or something? Is he here? No. Guys, I've been searching, but I cannot find him. I'm guessing he's stuck.